So over here, you can see that I have a design file. And if you want to share this with others, then on the top, you can see that publish online or share via link is an option. You can also go around over here onto the side of present where you see the triangular icon. And here you can access out the share option as well. So let me just go around over here and then click on the share button. You get the same option even if you were to go over here. And here you can see that you can get a link right here. So by default, if you have the free version, if you're using the free version, then you have to choose anyone on the web. But if you choose this, if you were to upgrade, then you can choose people I share with right here, just like this. So I'm just going to stick to the default right here and copy out the link. Now, what the other people will be able to do is they will be able to go around onto their web browser and access the design by using this link right here. So once you do that, you can see that they can see the design right here, just like this. They can see the preview right here. So they can make a copy out of it. They can go around and share this right here, embed this report, and even like this out right here, as you can see. So they can click on this button right here to go full screen as well. But they won't be able to make any changes onto your original file, but only will be able to make a copy and then make changes onto that. And that is how you can share out your Prezi design files. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.